You can add an account member by sending them an invitation. To start, log into your PolyLens administrator account at lens.poly.com. Go to the account icon, then Manage Accounts. Select your account from the list. Select Account Members from the side tab. Click Add New. Enter the email address of the individual to invite. Select the role to assign the new member, such as admin, device manager, or guest. An admin has full access to the account, including the ability to invite and adjust roles of other account members. A device manager has full access to all device management-based features, such as device settings, device actions, device software updates, device policies, and site management. Guests have read-only access to general areas like inventory and insights. Click Add. A confirmation message appears at the top of the page. You can view invites that have not been accepted yet by selecting Pending. The invitee must open the invitation and click Join Now to accept the invitation to your PolyLens account. If they have an existing PolyLens account, they sign in. Otherwise, they go to the Sign Up tab to create a free PolyLens account. When the Welcome to PolyLens message appears, the invitee clicks the Let's Get Started link. PolyLens will open in the account that invited them. Once the invite is accepted, the invitee will appear in the list of confirmed members.